We're back at it, boys. Here we go. So today I'm going to show you what I'm going to do, but be sure and like and subscribe and get in on that mini bike giveaway we got going on. Check out the channel. You'll find it. We're at one of our 1,000 subscribers is going to win it. And I'm going to get to work on this mini bike of mine. Finally got my motor back, my top end. So I'm going to rebuild it and get her put in here. And we're going to let her rip. So check this out. I'm getting this thing out of here. These tires are going on that. I'm going to take them down to the tire shop and get them put on. I'm going to pick up my wrist pin bearing so I can rebuild my motor, boys. I'm going to pull these wheels off right quick. I'm going to hit this real quick with the impact and get it all tore off so that these people can get her done. We'll see if they can support Blake doing a hundo. Tire looking all right. Got her on there. You guys been wanting to update. Well, by gosh, you're going to get her. You're going to get her today. She's all extended up. We're mocking a bunch of stuff up so we can get ready to paint it. We got to weld in this jack shaft plate. Went with the oversized tires, 20 in the front and back. Got a 4-inch stretch. Got my tires all done. I had to come get this new cam bearing and some valve oil for this CR250R build, and we're good to go. He wants to put together an engine with old hardware, boys. Look there now. All new. Oh yeah, brother. Way better. We're gonna have to get her out in light for you boys to see something, but daggummer now, huh? Who's ready for that? Let's get us a 14 box in. This was my life there for a while, guys. Doing it like this. I would just grab it like an old janitor's set of keys. So what I plan to do is take this 14, drill me a little hole in it, stick a 1/4 inch to 3/8 adapter in there, weld it. That way I can use this box end to tighten these suckers up. So what we have here, boys, is 2 old tools that are now 1 new tool. So now I can get to them studs, get me some appropriate torque. There's your do-it-yourselfer. I'm checking the ring gap. 13,000. So we're good. Y'all know we finna get nasty with it.
No.
There you go, boys. That's how you do her. Direct outjection. Black! What's up, dog? I told him I'd get your initial reaction.
Yeah.
You've only seen you a pic. Damn, shorties.
Rims.
Dude, see, those are some sick rims. I just put that new rim on there. Spoke rims. Got the piston on, the rings, last C-clip. Everything's lubed up like it's supposed to be, including my hands. Once I have this piece in, we're gonna put the base gasket on, rest this power valve up, and slap the cylinder on, boys. Torque down to spec. The gasket on, look here now. The bottom crank bearing's lubed. We got this greased up. So that's a hell of a gasket right there. And then you clock the piston downward where it hits it. Boom, center it. All right, boys, y'all know what time it is. You got her just right. Everything, look, you can even see the little bit of lube that's in there. A little sheen on it. Look at that, guys. I had this, shipped it out to Blake. It took him a while with the stash, but he got that all twizzled. I mean, now he won't be on camera for a few weeks because he lost a lot of his mustache doing that, but he's still got a lot left. He said, go ahead. This is all he has left.
It was got deep down in there, boys.
It was
that crosshatch ain't no joke. Just deep up in there. I ain't gonna explain it too much more.
No lips or tongue, just all stash.
I ain't gonna say there wasn't no tongue.
Blake's last dip. He promised me. He promised himself, and he went ahead and threw that chaw in there for you. That's some old Copenhagen Deluxe.
That is, you can't
long
find
cut.
That stuff been outdated
Snuff.
Since the 20s.
He likes the powdery stuff.
Oh yeah, I snorted it.
Not too damn much, but that should be enough for everything. I mean, she can take.
Does it matter how many you use?
Fingers?
Yes.
Well, I mean, let's keep her fresh till we get the engine. I mean, I'm not trying to do any damage to her, so the less, probably 1 finger would be plenty. But
Yeah.
I almost doo-dooed. Remove this bad boy. Hopefully this power valve is lined up good. For some reason we ain't, oh, the dowels.
Just needs a little bit of persuasion.
Yeah. So, gotta hit it with it? Or?
Yeah.
Get there, boys. So we're about to start our real crisscross pattern. This one needs to be close, boys.
Oh.
Yeah. Not even one full rotation, was it?
Almost.
All right, boys. That's what I paid all them big dollars for.
This is technology passed down by the aliens.
Yep. It don't work so good with the wrenches in my belly. Okay. There's your better look at her. Top dead center. Brand new, torque down, rebuilt. Now we can actually polish the sucker. She brand new. Oh yeah, boys. Here's where I'm at, guys. Got her rolling. Motor's completely rebuilt, 100%. Tomorrow we're finishing the mounts. Hopefully we'll have them welded in by tomorrow. Might have something going tomorrow, who knows. There's a lot of work to do. But we gotta get a bunch of stuff figured out. But this is how we do it right here. You guys should be sure and like and subscribe. We also got this build going. This 212 Hemi is getting built pretty nice. And it's going in a that old tri-rup out there. So you guys be sure and check that out too. And thanks for watching. Be sure and like and subscribe. Share to some people. And this two-stroke's gonna make some noise, boys.